Good morning, my dear friends. Well, it's another CA day and another CA exam, but this time things are different in my personal opinion. A lot of lives have been lost. There has been a lot of heartache, lot of pressure, lot of stress. My heart goes out to all you CA students who have been battling it out mentally, physically, emotionally for the past few months, battling this pandemic on one hand, and of course, the stress of the exams on the other hand. So I'm extremely proud of my CA fraternity, and of course, definitely my colleagues, my fellow faculty who have been trying very hard to be there for you every step of the way. So many of us have uploaded free videos online, the entire marathon revision sessions to ensure that you guys can study well. But having said that, nothing, whatever we have done, can take away from what you guys are going through. We truly understand what you're going through. So this batch especially, I have been in touch with all the students across. Some of them have already cleared and some of them have already written before, some of them are writing now. But the stress of the current batch is something which we need to take into account, the people who are writing this coming attempt because of the pandemic. So please stay safe when you go for the examination and hang in there, buddies. I know that you will do really well. I know it in my heart. I know that you will do well. So because in the next 4 days you have your examination, after you write your examinations and after you clear, when you look back, when you reminisce about your CA days, so this is what our team has created. I just want to show you. You will think about all these things. You will think about the day when you suggested, you would have played the game bingo. So if you convert that into CA bingo, so you would have suggested this course to your other cousins, your other friends, everybody, because so that you'll get some company in the torture. It will be a combined torture, right? And there are very sleepless nights, and you would have definitely gone through sleepless nights. Many times you would have felt that you feel like giving up. 100%, I felt so during my CA days. You would get exemption in a few subjects, fail in the other subjects. Probably you would secure All India rank as well. You may have regretted the decision of pursuing CA also, many point of time. But at the end of the day, I also would like to show you this game of snake and ladders. Our entire CA life journey is like a game of snakes and ladders. There will be ups and downs. Where will be with parent sacrifice, we'll go up. With self-belief, we will definitely go up. But of course, failure in multiple attempts will bring us down to stagnation. And especially when we compare with our friends, it will definitely create a lot of pressure. And the moment we have self-doubt, we'll all be back to square one. So dear friends, we'll wait through all these things. We would have bunked office, we would have watched movie, we would have had articleship friends, we would have had, love blossoming during the articleship, love failures as well, everything. And when you go to a client, the client would call you sir or madam, and you would have felt really nice. You would probably sit on your boss's chair and swing when he's not there. And imagine the happiness when your balance sheet tallied, both in Tally, SAP, and even in your books. These are all wonderful feelings. And filing tax returns for your entire colony, entire apartment complex. These are wonderful memories that are going to stay with you. So we should rise up from the ashes, though we are down, and reach our goal so that we get those 2 letters before our name, CA. So on this CA day, I wish all my fellow chartered accountants a very happy CA day, and most importantly, my special wishes go to my future chartered accountant students, my CA buddies. You will join this wonderful profession very soon. You will join the niche group of professionals who will take India forward by upholding ethics, and of course by doing our duty to the fullest extent possible. So 4 days you have for the examination. From the bottom of my heart, I wish you all the very best. Hats off to you. Please hang in there. We are all here for you. But at the end of the day, it is you who have to go to the examination hall and write. Your parents are behind you. Your friends are behind you. We are behind you. I am behind you. All the best. Happy CA day. Love you all, dear friends. Take care. Bye.